What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today I have something that could save you some space like it did for us. So normally when I run my fridge I have a slide. That way I can slide out to here and kind of grab it. But now that I have a camper, this kind of stays in the bed of the truck more than it is outside of the truck. And what we're using is these guys right here. So this here is the Rollercam L-track mounting kit. So down here, what we have is an L-track about 6 inches or so down here in front of the fridge and also behind the fridge. And I'll plug in some B-roll of how we installed it. But essentially, we drilled 3 holes and riveted them to the bed. I sealed it obviously so that way there's no water intrusion into the bed. And then this gives us kind of a very sleek, hidden way when we're not using it to tie down the fridge. So this thing is solid. It's not going anywhere. So I like this because, like I said, the slide is pretty big. It has to be a little bit bigger than the actual fridge. So you're taking up space that, you know, is kind of important when it comes to a camper build out like this, just because every little inch counts. So this is nice, it's solid, and it's hidden. So when I take this out, the carpet covers up everything. And since this bed rug is padded, you don't really feel any of that underneath your feet either. So that's a big plus. So when I do take this out of here and my kids are in here, they're not going to be stepping on the L-tracks, which could obviously hurt because it is sharp aluminum pieces. But let me go show you another reason or another way that we use this. So what you see there is the L-track kit from Rollercam again, but we are on the roof of the 24 Tacoma now. And what you see here is like a panel kit, which creates a very nice flat surface on the top of our roof rack. But the Rollercam kit will also work with this because it has the same pattern hole of an L-track. So that way we can just clip it in and it locks us in place, and it can't physically get out of that hole until you depress the pin like that. So very nice, easy way to secure it. Line up with the hole, move it to one side or the other, and then it locks in place. And this thing is pretty solid. So I fully trust anything that we strap up here. On this side here, we actually had a bag that we strapped down, which is why you see that strap over there. And it did a great job. It brought us all the way here to camp. So L-tracks have been used for a long time now, and mostly in the more semi-trucks and transportation vehicles to really tie down stuff. So obviously it makes sense to start using them for overlanding, off-roading. So in Peter's Tacoma here, we have a very similar setup to my Tundra. Just a small piece of L-track on the goose gear platform here. We just installed this with threaded inserts, goes straight into the wood. That will allow us to put some countersunk screws or bolts into the L-track, and then now we have the Dometic nice and secure in here as well, where before it was just kind of laying in here and it kind of just rolled all over the place. But that's pretty much it. We just wanted to kind of show a very space-saving, easy way to tie down your fridge or anything to your vehicle, whether that be inside your camper, on top of a roof, or anything like that, using the Rollercam L-track mounting kit. But that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys are new here and not subscribed to the channel, let us know what you guys wanna see, and we'll see you guys next time.